Hi guys, the next Coolify service we're going to be self-hosting is called Duplicati. It is a backup software that you can use to back up certain files from one location to another. The end result is going to look like this. We'll be able to add a backup and also restore a backup. So without further ado, let's go into Coolify. In the Projects tab, let's click the Add button. And we're going to add Duplicati as the name. Select the production environment. Click Add a new resource. Search for Duplicati. Select your server. And we are almost done. This is a very straightforward deployment. We're going to just shorten the service name. And same thing for the URL. And then hit deploy. So now that our container has started, we just need to wait for it to say running healthy. It just did that. So let's open it up in a new tab. And there you go. So here you get a little warning about setting a password if you want to prevent other users from accessing data on your account. And you want to go ahead and click yes and just set a password. So then let's go into add backup. And here you can configure a new backup or import one from a file. We're obviously going to click next. Then you just call your backup something. So in my case, let's say I'm backing up my pictures. So then you would enter in a passphrase here for encryption. And then in the next step, you select where you want the backups to go. So I'm just going to click backups, but you probably want to select S3 or another, but you want to select the service that you're actually going to be using. Like let's say you're using Amazon S3, and then we're going to hit next. And now you're going to select the source location. So again, in this case, I'm just going to select an arbitrary location on the server. So I'm just going to click, you know what, this init file is the thing that I want to back up. And this isn't actually the server, so my server's files. This is the Docker containers files. So running this on a self-hosted instance doesn't seem to make much sense to me, but maybe I'm missing something because again, you're just accessing files on the Docker container. This makes more sense to me if I'm running this locally on my computer and I wanted to select files on my computer and I wanted to then save it perhaps on a server or somewhere else. But anyways, let's just go ahead and click next. And then you can schedule backups. And if there's something that happens, the job will run as soon as possible. So from that angle, it seems pretty good. So you can set also the volume size. Then you have configured a backup job. And you can also restore from backups that have actually happened. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to stop the video here because we've successfully self-hosted Duplicati. So I will see you in the next one.